Hello friends, today we are going to see about the lesson plan number 4. First we have to write the name of the student teacher, name of the guide teacher, name of the school, standard, subject, unit, topic. Topic name is parallel and intersecting lines, two lines and rays. Then total number of students, then date. Then let's move to the topic, instructional objectives. General instructional objectives. The student recalls about line and line segments, acquires knowledge about parallel and intersecting lines. To know about parallel line segments and intersecting line segments, understand the concept of parallel and intersecting lines. Develop their skill of identification. Next one is specific instructional objectives. The student explain parallel lines, describe intersecting lines, generate parallel line segments, illustrate the intersecting line segments, define rays, discuss about two rays, applies the problem in the note, solve the given problem. Next one is utilization of teaching aids. Chart, intersecting the line segments. Then flashcard. Next one is previous knowledge of the learner. Teacher verify the previous knowledge of the students through probing questions. Like, how do you draw a line segment? How do you draw a line segment? Next one is, what is the difference between line and line segment? What is the difference between line and line segment? Next topic is motivation. The teacher motivates the students to learn about the concept of the parallel and intersecting lines and rays. She has written the topic on the blackboard and underline it. She has written the topic on the blackboard and underline it. Next one is methods of teaching. We have to do the fourth partition. First one is specification of behavioral objectives. Next one is content. Third one is teaching learning experience. Fourth one is evaluation. In the first row, first box, write explain parallel lines. Explain parallel lines. Lines that go on forever on either side without meeting each other. That is, they have a constant distance in between or called parallel lines. Then draw the diagram. In the next box, the teacher explain about the parallel lines. The student listen silently. The students listen silently. Next one is explain parallel lines. Explain parallel lines. In the next row, second row, in the second row, describe intersecting lines. Describe intersecting lines. The next box, if the two lines are not parallel, then they must meet somewhere and they go their way after meeting two. Draw the diagram and therefore line 1, line 2 are intersecting lines. In the next box, the teacher describes about intersecting lines by using blackboard. The students observe it and take notes. Then after that we have to paste the black chart. The next box, describe intersecting lines. In the next row, describe parallel line segments. Another box, of course, We now have parallel line segments. Then draw the parallel line segments figure. In the next box, the teacher explains parallel line segments by using flashcard. The students keenly observe the class. You have to paste the flashcard miniature. Inside write parallel lines. Next one is draw parallel line segments. In the next row, first box, illustrate the intersecting line segments. Illustrate the intersecting line segments. Also, we now have intersecting line segments. Then draw the figure. The position O at which the line segments AB and CD meet is called their point of intersection. In the next box, the teacher explains intersecting line segments by using chart. The students listen carefully. Then you have to paste the chart. In the last box, what is meant by point of intersection? What is meant by point of intersection? In the next row, first box, in the first box, define race. Define race. Second box, the lines that end on one side but proceed indefinitely on the other side is called race. They are denoted by A, B, P, Q, M, N, etc. The fixed end point of your ray. The fixed end point of your ray is called the starting point. In the next box, the teacher explains about race. The student understand the concept. At last, define race. Define race. Then draw the figure in the second box. In the next row, discuss about two rays. Discuss about two rays. In the next box, with the two rays, we have more to learn. They can be parallel or intersecting. Then draw the figure. Two rays may have the same starting point. Then draw the figure. In the next box, the teacher explains two rays by using chart. The student listen with interest. At last box, two rays may have the dash point question mark. In the next row, applies the problem in the note. Applies the problem in the note. In the next box, we have to write example. From the given figure, identify the parallel lines. Identify the intersecting lines. Name the points of intersection. Solution. Parallel lines are EF and GH, CD and AB. Intersecting lines are CD and EF, AB and EF, CD and GH, AB and GH. Number 3. Point of intersection is P, Q, R and S. In the next box, the teacher explains the problem in blackboard. The teacher explains the problem in blackboard. The students take notes in their note. Applies the problem in their note. The last box applies the problem in their note. In the next row, solve the given problem. Solve the given problem. In the next box, from the given figure, name the parallel lines. Name the parallel lines, intersecting lines, point of intersection, then draw the diagram. In the next box, the teacher point out the student to do the problem in blackboard. The teacher point out the student to do the problem in blackboard. The student do it with interest. Last box, from the given figure, identify the intersecting lines. Then draw the figure. Next topic is summarize. Next heading is summarize. The teacher summarizes the overall concept of the lesson. Follow-up activities. From the given figure, name all pairs of parallel lines, all pairs of intersecting lines, point of intersection of the lines L1 and L5, L2 and L3. Then draw the figure. At last, mention the signature of the student teacher and signature of the guide teacher. Okay friends, if you like this video, like it, comment it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.